Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will learn how to run a Java program using command line, using our command prompt. So let's create a Java program first. So open any editor. This is our first Java program. So you can open Notepad, simply open Notepad. So since Java is an object-oriented programming language, you need to create a class in order to run any program. So let me create a class and give it any name. Let's give it Sonal. It's best practice to start the class name with capital letter. Now I will create my main method, public static void main. So whatever you write inside main will only get executed. Whatever is outside the main, that will not get executed unless you call it inside main. So it will it will have string arguments, string array. And I will just simply print hello world. System.out.print hello world. I will close my main method brackets and then the class bracket. So my program is done. It's simply a class and the main method, and inside that I'm printing hello world. So I will save it. You can give any name. I will give the same name as my class, and I have to save it with .java extension. I will save it on desktop. So it is saved. Now I will open my command prompt. First, I will navigate to the location where my Java program is present. So it is on desktop. So I will move to desktop using cd desktop command. Now I am on my desktop with this desktop. Now first I need to compile my Java program and then only I can run it. So to compile it, I will type Java C and the file name, which is sonal.java. So you can see it is successfully compiled and it created a .class file on the same location where my Java program was present, that is on the desktop. Now to run it, I will simply type Java and the file name without the .java extension. I don't have to write the .java extension. You can see it printed our output, which was hello world. So this is how you can run your Java program using command line. You have to first compile it using javac and the file name command, and then you have to run it with Java and the file name without .java extension. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.